Assalamualaikum and good evening to my doctor, Dr. Ang Lee, which teach me in subject pomology, DTN 4302. My name is Muhammad Safwan bin Muhammad Bakri. My metric number is 56699. Okay, uh, today I would like to present about my topic, which is my topic, uh, major pest problem in papaya, which is in term that I got is insect. Okay, let's go to the uh, short papaya. So papaya in scientific name is called Caprica papaya and also called papao or pawpaw. It is a large fruit in family Caracaea. The papaya fruit is slightly sweet with an agreeable musky tang, which is more pronounced in some varieties and in some climate than in others. It is very popular breakfast fruit in many countries, include in Malaysia, and also used in salads, pies, and juices. So let's move to my main topic, which is a major pest problem in papaya, which is that I choose is insect. What insect can cause problem to papaya? There is a many insect can cause problem. Which is the first one is scale insect, fruit flies, thrips, mealybugs, whiteflies, mite, and also snail. Okay, uh I will tell uh I will tell about fruit flies because the fruit fly is very uh commonly insect that can cause damage to the papaya. So basically fruit fly will lay eggs through the papaya fruit, peel into the fruit cavity where the larva will feed in. Eventually, it will emerge from the ruined fruit. Okay, so the symptoms that can we see is it may show yellow areas and drop from the tree prematurely. Okay, so this type of insect that we can do to control is the first one we must place a paper bag over the individual fruit when the fruit are still young, and then we must leave the bag until we harvesting the fruit. Okay, when we harvesting done, before fruit turn yellow, we must spray with dimethiot 0.1% or acephate. So we can use this type of uh, kind of spray to the fruit. Okay, then I will tell you about thrips and also white fly. So basically, this type of insect sometimes referred to as the fruit cluster worm, but is commonly called papaya webworm. It develops under a web between and around fruits and along stem of plants. Usually, we can find in or near the stem amongst the flower and also the fruit. The webworm can cause injury to a fruit and also to the stem. It will providing entrance to the fungus disease, which is that we know about is anthracnose. It is the main pest of the developing fruit peel at in papaya stem. Okay, how we control this insect? The first one is we do by manually, which is hand removal. When we see the flies also trip infest to the fruit, we do hand removal. Then second one is we must spray with spray water with the strong jet of water, and then the good method that we must use is spray with the permethrin as what uh, what in the in the spray tool to spray. Okay, Other than that, we must control is removing the infest leaf and also fruit. And lastly, we must apply appropriate pest control product. Okay, this is the control for the specific infect that I have tell. That alternative solution that we can aim to improve our productivity of papaya. The first one that I will choose, there is a many solutions, but I will tell you the choose one I will pick. For the first one that we easy to solution. Firstly is very easy is cover crop. As we know, cover crop is very important in earlier stage of tree or crop because we can prevent a pest or insect in the earlier stage uh, to gain good quality of fruit. Okay, then next method, the solution is field sanitation. After we harvest or before we do a new planting, we must do a field sanitation to kill any disease near the crop and also the fruit, and also kill the pest or any insect that near the fruit to ensure that the fruit that we want to marketing it in supermarket or others is a good quality. And next, we must do vapor heat treatment, which is this is the good method, but the method is very costly, which can do also. Okay, so next I will tell you others method that we can do to improve our uh, productivity, which is the first, which is we can also use organic spray to kill the pest, which is we can extract a microbe from a compost tea that we do. Okay, so beside that we must we can do also full tree coverage when spraying with sulfur. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much.